There is a simple formula behind getting rich, not a secret trick, not a risky gamble, not something only experts can do. A real, repeatable formula that ordinary people use to build extraordinary wealth. And once you understand it, money stops feeling confusing forever. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact formula behind wealth, why most people never follow it, how investing fits into the equation, and how small actions today create massive results later. If you've ever wondered how do people actually get rich, this video answers it clearly. Most people believe getting rich requires a high-paying job, a business breakthrough, winning the stock market, or pure luck. But real wealth is usually built by something much simpler, a repeatable process, a formula, and anyone can follow it. The wealth formula has 4 parts. 1, earn income. 2, spend less than you earn. 3, invest the difference. 4, let time do the work. That's it. No hype, no shortcuts, no magic. Every wealthy individual follows this formula, whether they realize it or not. Step 1 is earning income, a job, a business, a side hustle. The formula doesn't care where income comes from. It just needs a starting fuel source. Step 2, spend less than you earn. This is where most people fail, not because they don't make enough, but because lifestyle expands to match income. The formula only works when you consistently keep a portion aside. Here's where wealth actually begins. Save money alone does not grow. It just sits, but invested money multiplies. By investing in broad market ETFs, you own hundreds of companies at once. You capture long-term economic growth, and you remove the need to pick stocks. This is the engine of the formula. Time is the final ingredient because compounding is exponential, not linear. Example, $300 invested per month in a broad market ETF at an 8% long-term return. After 10 years, about $55,000. After 20 years, about $170,000. After 30 years, about $425,000. After 40 years, about $1 million. Same person, same monthly effort, just time and consistency. That is the formula in action. Most people never start investing. Stop when markets drop. Wait for the perfect time. Underestimate small contributions. The formula always works, but only if followed consistently. The formula doesn't require a high IQ, market timing, constant monitoring, financial expertise, just patience, consistency, and simple investing. That's why ordinary people quietly become wealthy over time. If you want to follow the formula, earn income, save a portion, open a brokerage account, invest in a broad market ETF, add money regularly, stay invested long term. That's the entire system. Wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by following a simple formula over a long period of time. Most people never learn it. Now you have. If this video helped you understand how wealth is actually created, subscribe to Jarrett Invests. Every video here is designed to make investing simple, realistic, and achievable from any starting point. The formula is simple.